Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Welcome to Traditional Public School and Inter College, Lahore. Lecture 4, Science, Class 2. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, this is Miss Aisha Azhar with another interesting lecture. Today we are going to start Unit 8, Electricity. Just listen to me carefully because we will have a short quiz at the end of the lecture, so be attentive and focused. Dear students, let's check your knowledge or your memory. Do you know the person you see on your screen? Yes, he is the great American inventor Thomas Edison. Do you know what he is known for? He invented the first electric light bulb in 1879. Now, let's listen to the story of electricity. Many things that we use every day work on electricity. Dear students, you must know that light in our houses work on electricity. However, they are not only the ones that use electricity. Our televisions, air conditioners, water heaters, fans, washing machines, and many other things, which includes mobile phones, laptops, computers, need electricity to work. Dear students, here on your computer screen, you can see many things that work on electricity. But have you ever wondered what is electricity? Where does it come from? And how do we use it? In today's lecture, we will find the answers to these questions. Well, do you know that electricity is energy? Yes, electricity is energy. As we all know that human body needs healthy food to get energy and to be active and strong. Similarly, machines are the same. They use electricity as a food to give them energy to turn on and to work. You can see that laptop is off. When you will switch on the power button, the electricity will give the power to the laptop and it will switch on. In fact, electricity is the energy which helps us to do many tasks. We cannot see electricity, but we can see where it is working all around. You can see electricity at your homes, your mother washing the clothes in washing machines, making milkshakes in juicer blenders for you. You can get cold water in summers from refrigerators. So, all the things are working on electricity. Dear students, now let's talk about the sources of electricity. There are two main sources of electricity. Number one, mains electricity. Number two, batteries and cells. Now, let's talk about mains electricity. Dear students, the electricity which we use in our houses is known as means electricity. But have you ever thought, how does this electricity get to us? Let's explore. It is produced in a power station. It is brought to our houses through thick wires called cables. This electricity is very powerful. All electrical things in our houses can run on this. Children, mains electricity can be very dangerous, so be very careful while using it. Now, let's talk about few safety rules that we need to follow. Dear students, never play with electrical equipment or wires. We should not play with any kind of electrical appliances or wires as it can be dangerous and we can get electric shock. Then, never poke things into electric sockets. Dear students, do not ever try to insert anything pointed into the switch. Otherwise, we can get electric shock. Or touch bare wires. We should not touch the uncovered wires. Otherwise, we can get electric shock. Then, never touch plugs or electrical equipment with wet hands. Dear students, to avoid electric shock, we should not ever try to touch plugs or other electrical equipment with wet hand or bare foot. Then we have batteries and cells. Dear students, another source of electricity is batteries and cells. They are used to store electricity. Children, battery is a sort of container as you can see on your computer screen. It stores energy until it is needed. Batteries and cells are used in many things. Some of them are remote control, flashlight, all kinds of toys, clock, radio, and calculator. Some large batteries are used in automobiles. Automobiles means cars, autos, and other vehicles. These batteries provides the power for starting your vehicle. Then we have few battery operated cars. Battery operated cars means those cars which work on batteries. Although they are not commonly used in our country, but they are available in the market. They have special filling stations where these cars can be charged. Dear students, now let's discuss few safety rules. Although battery operated devices are much safer than those operated by mains electricity. Batteries contain chemicals that could hurt you. So we should follow the rules to stay safe, or else they could burn our hands or our clothes. Then do not damage batteries or put them in your mouth. So, dear students, we should not try to break them or put them in our mouth because they can choke our breathing tract and cause to death. Dear students, hope you understood what is electricity, where does it come from, and how do we use it. Now, let's have a quick short quiz to get to know how much you have understood. First electric bulb was invented by Dash. Yes, he was Thomas Edison. First electric bulb was invented by Thomas Edison. Electricity is a form of dash. Yes, it is energy. Number 3. Sources of electricity are dash and dash. Good. Sources of electricity are mains electricity and batteries and cells. Then mains electricity is made in a dash. Very good. It's power station. Then we have read batteries and cells are used to store dash. What do you think? What is it? Yes, it is electricity. Batteries and cells are used to store electricity. Electricity can be dash. Yes, very good. It is dangerous. Some large batteries are used in dash. Excellent. It is automobiles. Some large batteries are used in automobiles, and automobiles means your cars, autos, and other vehicles. Batteries contain dash that could hurt you. Yes, it is chemicals. Batteries contain chemicals that could hurt you. Now we have another question that which of these objects use mains electricity and which uses a cell? Number 1, fan. Yes, it is mains electricity. Fan works on mains electricity. Then we have remote control. What do you think? Yes, very good. It works on battery. Then we have a laptop. Yes, it also works on battery. Okay, then it's washing machine. What do you think? It works on a battery or it uses mains electricity? Yes, it uses mains electricity. Washing machine works on mains electricity. Then we have a mobile phone. Very good. It works on battery. Then we have air conditioner or split unit. What do you think? It works on a battery or it uses mains electricity? Excellent. It uses mains electricity. Okay, dear students, that's all for today. Now, what you have to do is you have to read the text twice thoroughly for the next lecture. Take care, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.